I've always had friends who are older than me. And I could see a lot of them in the most successful careers, successful jobs, beautiful partners, whatever it was. But I saw a sense of lack of fulfillment, meaning, and purpose in their lives. And I've always been an observer, and I would see these people who are like 5 years older than me, 7 years older than me, maybe 10 years older than me. And I'd be watching them and go, is that the life I want? And often the advice I give to people today is fast forward where you are, look at yourself in 10, 15, 20 years' time, and ask yourself the question, is that where I want to be?
If you have lost your way, you are not alone. We have all been there. The good news is you don't have to stay there. 5 ways to get back on track when you have lost your way.
If you pay enough attention, 1,000,000 years of existence, it'll keep you busy or more. Right now, the need for purpose has come because you're trapped in your psychological structure, not in your life process.
Write down your reason why. When you know your reason why, you need no external motivators. Why must you do what you do? Why must you succeed? Why must you get healthy, develop yourself? Set a positive example. Why must you earn more money? Change your attitude, strengthen your relationships. Who are you doing it for? Why must you keep fighting? This is a reason, and when you find that reason, it will light a fire under everything you do. It will get you up early and keep you up late. It will inspire you to push harder, to fight longer, to try a different way, to find a way, to never ever give up. You will still have low moments, but you will never stay there. Find that reason.
There's tremendous hope in life. God is the greatest hope in life. You don't have to be hopeless. Failure is not the end of the world. Someone insulting you is not the end of the world. A health crisis is not the end of the world. A divorce, a breakup is not the end of the world.
Know that life is short. Understanding at a deep level that life is short and you only get one shot at this human experience can be one of the most powerful ways to get you back on track. It's not a recipe for recklessness or craziness. It's a knowing that life is short and everything you are stressing about will likely no matter in the end.
If you're having negative recurring thoughts and feelings that are coming up, those are really, they're easy. People who achieve the peak amounts of success, the highest performers in the world have said, you know what? I need to discipline my mind to support me even when it comes up with an automatic, immediate thoughts. I want those to be positive.
Feed your mind with something positive and powerful. Consume as much positive, transformative, and powerful self-development material as possible. However you do it, books, audio, videos, mentors, it doesn't matter how. It only matters that you do. If you are feeding your mind with powerful content every day and really taking it in, it is very unlikely you will lose your way. Ask yourself what you would love to improve in your life with your personal skills or traits, and then seek the best mentors and content on these topics. You can also feed your mind with your own inner content. This is known as gratitude. Move. Science has proven physical exercise can lower depression, reduce stress, and release happy chemicals from your brain. So next time you lose your way, get to the gym, go for a run, sweat, release that tension somewhere positive. Do it daily and continue to grow your physical strength. Your physiology and posture also has a lot to do with how you feel. You will feel very different by standing tall with your shoulders back and putting a big cheesy grin on your face. Then you will slump over, shoulders down and frowning. Take note of your posture when you are down. Be conscious of it. Learn all you can about it and make the needed changes. Know where you want to go. Goals are important because they clearly define where you want to go and keep you on track to getting there. Science will tell you those who set specific and clearly defined goals are much more likely to live successful and fulfilled lives than those who don't. Here is a few secrets to goal setting. Firstly, be very specific about what you want. If it's money, don't just write, I want more money. Write exactly how much money. If it's a fitness goal, don't just write, I want a better body. Write the exact weight or body fat measurement you must reach. Second, be clear about when you must have it. I will make $1 million per year by the 31st December 2019, or I will reach 10% body fat by the 30th June 2019. Define how you will reach that goal. I will make $1 million per year by the 31st December 2019. Doing anything, and to do that I will first need to learn and complete. By getting clear about what you must have and defining how you will get it and by when, you have a clear purpose to work toward. The chances of you getting off track when you have something important to work towards is very slim. The key is to make it meaningful to you. We gave a money example, but your goals should never really be centered around money unless that money goal is attached to a greater purpose, which might be children, family, or a cause you believe in. Now you know how to get back on track. You know that there are ways to get back on track. You know you don't have to stay lost. You know next time this too shall pass. It will pass. Keep going and keep growing. Thank you.